jalapeno fries, and ouch! Oh Jesus! Guys, Bati kuzoba ne corona event here. Looks so nice. Hey, kabuhle shame. Ngathi kuse beach. Good morning guys, so I will be doing my oral care. I just want to quickly show you the things that I normally use for my oral care. I normally start with this coconut oil. It's almost finished. Start with this coconut oil for oil pulling. I normally oil pull for like 10 minutes. You only take 1 teaspoon of these, yeah, whenever you want to do oil pulling. And yeah, I think I got this from Checkers if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, then I go in with this floss. I normally use 2 of them. Yeah, I think I got this from Discount, if not Clicks. I think from Clicks. Yeah, I think Clicks, I don't know. Yeah, then after flossing, I go in with my toothbrush. I brush my teeth. Since I don't have tongue scraper, I use my toothbrush to scrape my tongue, and then I just brush my teeth for like 10 minutes, and then I go in with this mouthwash. Guys, this mouthwash is burning, will burn your mouth hair. I do not recommend this. You can just get anything for mouthwash that doesn't have alcohol in it, because this one will burn your mouth, I'm telling you. And yeah, I regret it. Thank God it's almost finished, because this is a no. So these are the things that I normally use for my oral care. So yeah guys, let me get started. Don't mind my nails. Guys, I am so obsessed with these. Like, if you want me to love you, buy me these.